Bah Nehlang Lyngdoh, MLA barim ka Klirat constituency, hakas ngibalang ula pynïasoh elade syaka National People's Party. Ia Bah Nehlang harengkat kinongkersyan, lapniang sengubha syaka parti tau presiden barang ba ukonrat kesangma, haka jingdan lang u vice president ba prestun tensong, ba senyau bahalang dhar, haka jingya lang haka office rekam kebahe adu jengka parti, hala Chumier Shillong.
I would at the very outset take this opportunity to welcome Shri Nehlang Lyngdoh, the former minister and former MLA of the then Rimbai constituency, now Klariat constituency, and all his supporters, all of you who have come here today to join the family of the National People's Party. I, on behalf of the National People's Party, as your national president, I take this opportunity to once again welcome each and every one of you to the family of the National People's Party. Friends, I was talking to our Deputy Chief Minister, and we were just discussing that this office has seen, and this location has seen so many different events in the past many months and many years. And in the recent past, in this particular stage, in this particular office, we have seen so many leaders of the state who have been working in their capacity to take the state forward and work for their people and their constituency. We are seeing them today coming and joining the National People's Party in large numbers. And while we see that, we are humbled and we are grateful and thankful to God Almighty for the blessings that He is giving to each and every one of us and to the National People's Party. And we also, at this point in time, remember our founding leader, late pynïasoh, who has laid the principles for this party to move forward, and we, as the workers and leaders of the party, are continuing in those steps. And today is another very important milestone for us, where a very senior leader like Shri Nehlang Lyngdoh, who has been an MLA twice, a person who has always worked for the grassroots, a leader who is very popular with his people, today has decided to join the National People's Party. It's a great reflection of the trust that these leaders and their people and their followers and their public today has on the National People's Party. I believe that they see the National People's Party as a party that will take the state forward, is taking the state forward, and will continue to take the state forward in the future also. And that is why we are seeing people from different areas, regions, different constituencies, today reposing their faith on the National People's Party. It's indeed a very great moment for us as a party. And I once again thank each and every one of you for having trust in the National People's Party, and I assure you that we will work together to take your area, your people, and the state as a whole forward in all the endeavors and work that we do.